The Myanmar government has recently grounded the majority of its newly acquired JF-17 Thunder fighters, which are multi-role combat aircraft jointly manufactured by China and Pakistan. This decision comes as a result of technical malfunctions. Back in 2016, Myanmar entered into a contract to purchase 16 JF-17s from China at a cost of $25 million each. The Myanmar Air Force received the first batch of 6 aircraft in 2018, but the status of the remaining 10 is currently unknown. The JF-17 is known for its cost-effectiveness, with a price range of $15 million to $25 million per aircraft, making it considerably more affordable than most other fourth-generation fighters. Myanmar became the first nation outside of Pakistan to possess this aircraft with its purchase. However, the JF-17 jets introduced into the Myanmar Air Force have been plagued by structural flaws and technical issues, rendering them inoperable. Myanmar's military lacks the expertise to resolve these problems. The JF-17, a collaborative effort between Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and China's Chengdu Aerospace Corporation, was primarily developed to counterbalance the Indian Air Force. It features advanced avionics, Russian engines, and a Chinese-made airframe. The radar system, the China-made KLJ-7L radar, is a critical component of the JF-17's avionics, but it suffers from poor accuracy and requires frequent maintenance. The aircraft can carry various munitions, including 500-pound bombs, 80mm and 240mm rockets, and air-to-air mid-range guided missiles. One former Myanmar Air Force pilot explained that the JF-17's airframe is susceptible to damage, particularly in its wingtips and hardpoints, when subjected to severe gravitational pressures. Additionally, the JF-17 program faces challenges due to a lack of spare parts for the Russian-made Klimov Rod-93 aircraft engine. Sanctions imposed by the U.S. on Russian arms exporter Rosoboronexport in 2018 have exacerbated this issue. Notably, Myanmar is not the only nation grappling with these difficulties. Pakistan has also faced challenges with its JF-17 Thunder, primarily due to high operational and maintenance costs compared to more modern alternatives. The Myanmar military procured the JF-17 fighter jets through intermediaries between 2015 and 2020 because the avionics and electronics contained components from Western nations. Despite being commissioned for 4 years, the JF-17 still cannot be used in combat by the Myanmar Air Force due to their subpar accuracy. This has forced Myanmar to rely on Russian-made Yak-130 and MiG-29 fighter jets and Chinese K-8 fighters. Furthermore, European Union sanctions imposed after the military coup in Myanmar prevent the Air Force from obtaining spare parts for the JF-17s and directly purchasing missiles and bombs for these aircraft. While Myanmar's Air Force has engaged in discussions with Islamabad to acquire air-to-surface missiles, bombs, and rockets for lethal airstrikes, the shortage of spare parts has significantly diminished the JF-17's combat capabilities and turned them into a burden for Myanmar's Air Force. Pakistani Air Force engineers have offered assistance and training, but the complexity of the JF-17's weapons system remains a challenge for Myanmar's pilots. Please make sure to like and subscribe and share the video.